cars heat up fast. In fact, with a forecast high of 95 degrees today, within 10 minutes, your car temperature up to 114 degrees, within 20 minutes of up to 124 degrees, and within a half hour, nearly 130 degrees for that air temperature inside of your car. So make sure, of course, you heed those warnings. Today, of course, another day of tough heat, and we continue with what's really just been a streak of some very hot conditions so far for this month. This is where we line up now. 8 days straight of heat advisories for Miami-Dade and Broward County. That was since July 4th. We've now had 7 days in a row of record-breaking heat index values reported out across Miami International Airport. 6 record highs so far for this month in Miami, and we've had more time spent with the heat index above 105 degrees this year than any other. And that's important because that's the threshold number for the National Weather Service to issue these heat advisories. It's when we have heat index values forecast to be up to 105 degrees for at least 2 hours. That's again the case today. We've got Miami-Dade, Broward County, all the way down to the Keys under those heat advisories. Miami-Dade and Broward County, this will be extended even through tomorrow. 94 degrees right now. We've got some clouds passing overhead, feeling like 103 degrees already here in Miami with those dew points at around 73 degrees. We're not seeing quite as much of a brown tint to the sky. That Saharan dust beginning to lift out just briefly, and we will be looking at a little bit of a brief break as we head into the rest of today and tomorrow with an additional plume set to track in as we head into Friday. So some haze returning, but in the low levels of the atmosphere, we're going to be looking at a southeasterly wind kicking back in. That's going to begin really tomorrow and into Friday, and that at least will start to lead to a bit more moisture to work with for some higher chances for showers and storms. That chance for scattered storms, by the way, will continue into the weekend. So today is still going to be on the drier side. We stay quiet through about the next couple hours. Some showers and storms developing inland through 3-4 o'clock. We may see by about 5-6 p.m. a few of those try to work their way across the metro. This model might be overdoing it a touch with some of that Saharan dust in place, but just know we'll have a slightly better chance of seeing some of those storms, I would say, especially between the hours of 5 to about 7 p.m. across some of our metro zones, the lucky ones at least, to help cool things down. Across the tropics, still tracking this one general area as we're going to be tracking a low pressure system that's already beginning to develop within that. The National Hurricane Center giving that a 50% chance of becoming a subtropical depression or storm. If it becomes a subtropical storm, that next name on the list is Don. However, will be no threat to the United States. Thursday, Friday, we see those rain chances pick up. That'll be the case into the weekend. Not much relief from the heat in sight. We keep with highs in the middle 90s straight into the weekend and even as we head into early next week.